Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I am going to explain you about horizontal layout. In a previous video, I explained you about the vertical layout. So what will happen if you select the horizontal layout? So let's take one horizontal layout here and just increase the size of this layout little bit and put all the widgets, this widget inside this layout. This is my label. This is my button. This is the line edit. This is the radio button, and this is India. See, all the widgets that I have selected here in my UI, all the widgets are now automatically get their position in the horizontal manner. So this is the purpose of horizontal layout. All the widgets that we are taking here is going to take it is going to align in horizontal manner. So in the vertical layout, all the widgets are aligned in the vertical manner. In the horizontal layout, all the widgets are aligned in horizontal manner. So basically interviewer might ask you what is the purpose of layout. So basically the purpose of layout is you don't need to select, it will all the widgets automatically get their position. So you don't need to select each widget to select their position there and here. So it is also, and the second purpose is it automatically dynamic resize. So interviewer might ask you the question like this: if the UI size is if your UI size is 7 inches, and in the future if the customer want to reduce the size of the of UIs to 5 inch, so whatever the widgets you have developed in your UI, it will overlap. So how you are going to solve this problem? So just say that, sir, we can use the layout, so we don't need to resize all the button. So it will, if you select any layout, so it will dynamically resize according to the dialog or according to the window. So this is the second advantage of the layout. So you don't need to first automatically all arrangement of the widgets is possible using the layout, and the second is dynamic resize is possible in this. So you don't need to resize again all the widgets. So this is the advantage of layout. So I hope you understand this video. Thank you so much.